What's up YouTube? Carlo here, welcome to the vlog, and today we're going to do a mega unboxing! If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are giving away a bunch of really crazy stuff, including Supreme underwear. Yeah, Supreme underwear. We're also giving away a Street Fighter New Era cap. We're giving away a Champion Rastaclat bracelet and a Yeezy Calabasa shirt, as well as 5 feather razors from Shave Manila. All of these items will be given and more. All you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell, as well as click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Go guys! Over the weekend, I dropped by Fila Italia. Fila Italia is the upscale store of Fila Philippines, wherein they have a lot of the newest hype releases that they have within their selection. Now, most of these sneakers that you guys are about to see were actually released decades ago. They are just retroing them, re-releasing them, because most of them are actually very much in style today with all of the current style trends that we've been seeing with sneakers. I have a total of, I think, like 7 sneakers that I wanted to unbox for you guys. So hold on to your seats and let's get to the unboxing. First up, we have the Fila Fold Array. I actually did the review on this one already, but I only got it in size, I think 11, so it was a size short, and I actually gave that pair away. So I did end up getting the actual pair in my size. So this is the Fila Array in size 12. This is just 3,499 pesos, and it looks fire. I mean, guys, look at that. Look at the red and green streaks along the side of the sneaker. Look at the red-green streaks near the center, how the Fila logo was implemented, how clean that outsole is. I honestly prefer this to the Fila Disruptor 2, and I would love to see more colorways of the Fila Array come out in the coming months ahead. Let's go to sneaker number 2. This is the Fila Spoiler. So it's like a high cut. I'm not sure if it's a basketball sneaker, but it is a high cut sneaker, and this one sells for 4,499 pesos. As you guys can see there, it says Fila Spoiler, size 12. The box design is different, looks a little more funky. So let's just get to the unboxing and get on with it. And wow, this is what the shoe looks like. So take a look at that sneaker, guys. Just take a look at that dagger-like, spike-like streak over here with the vault colorway on top of the black, which just gives it so much contrast, so much pop. And you have that same color with the Fila logo here at the tongue tab and the accent here, as well as the back with the Fila logo over there. It has a strap, which is again very much in style today. You see it a lot with the Jordan Legacy and the Just Dawns. So strap is in. I don't know why, the Velcro strap. But yeah, you see it here, and then it is a high cut sneaker, and it definitely I just love how subtle they were able to put the F logo of Fila here along the side near the top of the collar. That just looks really great. And if you take a look at the bottom, it has like a black rubber outsole, again with the Fila logo. So if you want a high cut sneaker, this one sells for 4,499 pesos over at Fila Italia in Up Town Mall BGC. So I just got a tweet asking me why don't I ever wear the caps at the back. Well, those are Ben era New Era caps that are actually more of a collectible than you actually wear. But hey, since you asked and we're doing nothing, might as well do it. Let's go. This looks crazy. I am not a cap person. But since you asked for it, let's keep the unboxing with the 35,000 peso crazy cap. But anyway, so next up we have the Fila, I think this is like the Jamal Mashburn. Yeah, this is the MB. Again in size 12. This one again is at 4,499 pesos. This is a basketball sneaker that it looks so much better in person than in pictures. Just take a look at that, guys. I mean, it looks crazy fire with that pattern here down below with the blue just on top of the orange, and then you have the jagged streaks along the side of the laces as well of the sneaker, that retro Fila logo. I'm not sure if this is like patent leather along the side, but it definitely is some sort of leather. And you have like a pull tab here at the back, Fila logo down there, and then you have that crazy pattern for the outsole. This one just looks amazing. So if you are looking for crazy basketball sneakers, you guys might want to check this out. The Fila MB selling for 4,000 499 pesos over at Fila Italia, Philippines, Uptown Mall. We are definitely not slowing down. This is one of my favorites in the collection. This is the Fila Venom. Yeah, is this the Venom? I think this is the Venom. Yeah, this is the Venom. Fila Venom in white, navy, and green. Again, this one sells for 3,499 pesos in that really kick-ass looking Fila box. Let's just pop it open and take a look at, wow, man. Fila is really doing a fantastic job bringing back these retro sneakers. I mean, they just look really amazing, especially if you consider the price points that they are being sold at. This is just being sold for 3,499 pesos. And take a look at that. Suede over here. You have some sort of mesh over here. Then you have leather for the rest of the upper. And then you have that really nice Fila badge logo at the tongue tab. And take a look at the implementation of the Fila logo here at the back. That just looks amazing. And again, you have some sort of like rubber outsole. This, guys, just sells for 3,499 pesos. If you don't have a big budget, you might want to consider going for this instead of like buying fakes, because at least you are buying authentic sneakers that are pretty good quality and are very much more stylish than you think they are. We're not done yet. We have 3 more to go. This comes in a really nice box. So yeah, this is like the nicest box among all of them. So it comes in like a premium black box with the Fila logo here at the center. You have that kick-ass looking spike here. So let's just pop it open. This, by the way, is the Mindbreaker. That is a really kick-ass name. And equally, you get a kick-ass shoe. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Fila Mindbreaker. Reminds me a lot of, I don't know. Yeah, but just to go through it, you have like some sort of knit upper here. You have rope laces with some really cool pattern on them. You have the Fila logo on top of leather here along the back, and then you have the laces which stretch along the side of the sneakers that also function as that spike thing that they have over here. And then you have that over-exaggerated Fila logo that just stretches on the lateral side of the sneaker. So again, this one sells for a little less than, what was the price again? 3,999 pesos, a little less than 4,000. Oh, and it comes with a really cool looking shoehorn. Oh, that's a nice freebie. The caps are actually a set of 3. So the one that I was wearing was the yellow one. This is the one with the blue one here on top. So yeah, let's keep the unboxing going. So next up, we have the Fila Original Fitness Archive print. So this one sells for 3,499 pesos. This is one of the crazy looking sneakers that they have in the collection. And among the entire set, this is probably the one that takes the most courage to wear. So yeah, I saw, yeah, this looks very familiar. So here you have it. It reminds me a lot of the Continental 80s or the Reebok classic sneakers, but instead of like a clean white upper or a clean black upper, you have like the leather upper, but it has different permutations of the Fila logo in black, white, and red and blue. So definitely crazy, guys. Definitely out of this world design, and definitely will pop, break some necks, and turn some heads if ever you want to rock a pair of sneakers like this one. Oh, if you take a look closely, it also had that spike here along the side, which is, I think, part of the Fila branding. So again, this is the Original Fitness Archive print. So we have one more cap. This one, the red color, is along the front. So yeah, so challenge accepted. I wore the really cool caps at the back. We have one last sneaker. This is the Mindblower. So as you guys can see, it says they're size 12 Mindblower, and it comes in a really funky Fila box. I just love that the designs of the boxes are different for most of the sneakers. They're not just your typical yellow, black, or orange box that you see with the other brands. So let's just take a look. Oh wow, this is like a hybrid version of the Mindblower, because instead of like that knit upper, this one has mesh here at the top, and you have like accents of leather. This white part is leather, then you have this red part as well in leather. The spike in blue is also made from leather, and then you have like that over-exaggerated midsole, which kind of makes it like some sort of dad shoe, chunky sneaker. And then you have that, again, exaggerated Fila logo along the side of the shoe. This one sells for 3,999 pesos. And it goes kind of, it looks well with the cap. It kind of matches. Among all the sneakers that came out, I think I have three that are my favorites. Number one is definitely the Luminance that I did a review on. Number two is the Fila Ray, which I also did a review on. And number three, man, I am really digging the Fila Venom. This just looks so cool. I love the materials. I love the different textures. I love the lines that go across the upper. This for me is one of the best in the collection as well. So I will be probably rocking this very soon. Expect a full review of this one in the coming days ahead. Again, guys, this is just 3,499 pesos. That is just amazing value for money. Now, to be straightforward with you all, I probably won't be able to do the review of all the sneakers one by one. I'll probably just pick like 2 to 3 and then do follow-up reviews. So watch out for those. So that's actually it for this vlog, guys. I hope you enjoy. Please do let me know which Fila sneaker among the entire collection you guys love the most, and let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, you guys have to do so, because again, we're giving away a ton of stuff and you have to be subscribed. You have to hit the notification bell. You have to follow me on Instagram, and you have to click down the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. That's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please do have a great week. Peace. God bless. Sabay-sabay po tayo. What's up? Boom! Next on the vlog, this is a sneaker that I bought from Off-White Manila over at Power Plant Mall in Rockwell. So as you guys can see, it's a high-cut white sneaker with red accent. Just looks amazing. And the reason why I haven't worn this yet is I haven't figured out if I will take this annoying piece of neon colored paper here away, as well as this one. Now, if you ask the hype beasts out there, they all say, keep it, Carlo, keep it. You're not supposed to tear it off. It's part of the aesthetic. That's the same thing that they said with the red Ziploc tag, which I kind of took out of all the shoes that I have here at the back. So yeah, I will embrace the fact that I am 36 years old. I will embrace the fact that I'm not really that much of a streetwear guy. I just love nice looking sneakers. And the reality is I only get to wear hoodies in-house or inside the office because it's just so hot outside in the Philippines. So yeah, tune in next episode to see what I will do with this annoying, really annoying tag.